Hi everyone, this is Dinesh Sharma from Raise the Bar with DS, and today in this video we are uh, demonstrating a reading of daily use sentences for spoken English. I mean, these are ready-made sentences made for your practice that you should read out loud daily, and you can use them in your routine life and daily life communication. So I request Abhinav Kumar, my an engineer from electronics branch. So he will demonstrate you how to read this sentence in a flow. And this time we will focus on speed with accuracy. And these are different situations are there. At doctors, impolite encounters, and different situations are there. And Abhinav will inform you what he is reading about. So over to you, Abhinav. Thank you very much. Start, please.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, starting with the doctor's place, what brings you here? What's the matter? Describe what's wrong. What seemed to be the problem? You look fit as fiddle. What could be wrong? Can you describe the problem? Can you describe the symptoms? Can you tell me what's wrong? Does it hurt when I do this? Has this been a problem before? Have you had this problem long? How long have you had this problem? Have you this problem before? Is your mother living? Is your father living? What did your mother die of? What did your father die of? Is there a history of diabetes in your family? I fell down the stairs. I fell off a skateboard. I got hit with a ball. I got hit with a bite. I was in a fight. I was in an accident. I have a pain in my neck. My back is sore. I can't bend over. I can't get up. My back hurts. I have an aching back. I pulled a muscles. I pulled my back. I threw my back out. I strained a muscles. I sprained my wrist. I twisted my ankle. My ankle is swollen. It's all red and puffy. I am bleeding. It keeps bleeding. It won't stop bleeding. I am bleeding like a stuck pig. There is a kink in my neck. There is a crick in my back. I have a lump here. It stings. I have got a stinging sensation. I feel weak. I feel dizzy. I feel feverish. I am having hot flashes. I get the chills. I can't push pressure on my foot. It burns when I go to the bathroom. My eye hurt in bright light. My ears hurt when it's noisy. It hurts here. My arms hurt when I move like this. It hurts here. It hurts when I run. It hurts after I eat. It hurts when I breathe. It hurts when I do this. It hurt. I have been sick for a day. I have been sick for 2 days. I lost my appetite 4 days ago. This started a week ago. Impolite encounters. You are so vain. You are too big for your breeches. You are getting a little big for your breeches. You are so full of yourself. You think you are so smart. You think you are so big. You think you are such a big shot. You love the sound of your own voice. You just like to hear yourself talk. You talk just to hear yourself speak. You think the world revolves around you. The world doesn't revolve around you. You think you are the center of the universe. You are all wrapped up in yourself. All you think about it yourself. Did you ever stop to think about anyone else? When someone is overbearing, who died and made you king? Who died and made you pope? Smarty. What do you think you are? You think you are so smart? You and who else? You and what army? What makes you so special? Don't break your arm patting yourself on the back. You think you are so hot? You think you are such hot stuff? When one has been insolent or rude, the nerve of you. What nerve you have? You have a lot of nerve. You have got a lot of nerve. The nerve. You have a lot of gall. The gall. The very idea. How dare you? Why I never? How how could you say such a thing? How could you do such a thing? Smart as smarty pants. Know it all. Get off your high horse. I beg your pardon. Don't get smart with me. Don't get sassy with me. Don't sass me. Don't talk back to me. Don't give me any of your leave. Don't get a pity on me. Don't get a pity with me. Don't get cocky. Don't get fresh. Don't get your noise out of joint. Don't overstep your bounds. Watch yourself. Watch out. Oh, smart little Alec. Oh, a wise man. Guy. Oh, a wise guy. Oh, a wise acre. Oh, a smart ass. Oh, a smart mouth. Wipe that grin off your face. Wipe that smirk of your face. Encourage, encouraging a timid person. Show a resolve. Show some courage. Show some spine. Don't be spineless. Don't be such a chicken shit. Don't be such a liver. Insulting a coward. Chicken. Wimp. Wuss. Slashy insolent. Elect insolent. Freddy cat. Scaredy cat. You are yellow. You are yellow build sapsucker. You are the gutless wonder. You are afraid of your own shadow. You are a man or a mouse. Cat caught your tongue. You really wimped out. You really chickened out. Lose your nerve. When someone argues too much, don't contradict me. You see everything in black and white. If I said it was black, you said it was white. That's as different as day and night. You are just being contrary. You are just disagreeing to disagree. You are just disagreeing for the sake of disagreeing. You are just playing the devil's advocate. You are just arguing for the sake of arguing. You just like yourself to talk when someone is being annoying. Could you stop that? Could you please stop that? Are you really trying to my patience? That's really annoying. That's really irritating. That's driving me nuts. Right? That's driving me crazy. That's really bothersome. That's really bothering me. That's getting on my nerves. That's grating on my nerves. Scram, sue, take a hike, make like a tree and leave, make like the wind and blow, inviting an annoying person to leave. Scram, get lost, go blow, go fry an egg, go suck a lemon, go take a long walk of a short piper, go take a long walk on short pyre, make yourself scared, go away, go climb a tree, go fly a kite, go jump in the lake, jump off a cliff, go play traffic, budge off, bug off, scat, get lost, get out of here, get out of my face, go blow, go play in traffic when someone is very annoying and hurtful. Why don't you rub a little salt in the wound? Why don't you twist the knife in my back? You are going to be the death of me yet. You try the patience of a saint. You'd really get my goat. You are driving me up a wall. You are driving me up the wall. You really know what buttons to push. You are pushing my buttons. Getting someone to stop doing something. Must you do that? Must you continue to do that? Stop bothering me. Stop pestering me. Give it a rest. Knock it off. Cut it out. Enough already. Asking to be left alone. Let me be. Let me alone. Let me alone. Leave me alone. Please go away. Please leave alone. I am asking you to leave me alone. I just want to be left alone. Describing a bothersome person. You are a pain in the neck. You are a pain in the ass. You are a pain in the butt. You are a royal pain. You are a pain. He grates on me. He grates on my nerve. He gets on my nerve. He pushes my buttons. He rubs me the wrong way. He gets my danger up. He raised my hackles when someone has done something wrong. What could you do such a silly thing? How could you do such a thing? What could you have been thinking? What on earth were you thinking? What raised you to do that? What got into you? I hope you are sorry. When will you ever run? Now, what did you go and do that for? Are you out of your mind? Are you crazy? Have you taken leave of your sense? If I have told you one, I have told you 100 times. I can't believe you have embarrassed me like that. If that's what you think, you have got another things coming. You have got another things coming. Encouraging someone
Stop,
to be
stop, stop,
patient.
stop, stop, stop.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Abhinav, very good. Thank you very much for reading these sentences, and they are very impactful and really, these are sentences of routine. These are mostly routine words, and you should continue on doing this practice. And thank you for putting a demo for me. Thank you.